2005 Lexus GS 300, 3.0 liter inline six. Got stock converters up there, another one stuffed up there. Heat shields into a secondary converter. What we did is deleted the mid resonators and replaced them with vibrants. Part number on those vibrants is 1792. There'll be a link in the description for them. Kept his stock pipe and also deleted his rear mufflers right there and right there. Into some dual stainless steel exhaust tips. There'll be a link in the description for them also. Let us know what you guys think in the comments. Should you have gone with the Vibrant or should you have gone with the Dynamax or just straight pipe? Let me know what you guys think. Like that. Here's sound decibels. Peaked at 107. All right, going back it out. If you guys don't know, we are located at Discount Muffler and Custom Exhaust at 3560 Dickerson Pike. And all our products are available on our website at exhaustaddicts.com. Nice. What you guys hear on the inside? ...2005 Lexus GS 300, vibrant mids, and rear muffler delete. Nice. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. 2020 Dodge Charger Scat Pack wide body, 6.4 liter Hemi. Got high flow cats and a Borla Attack catback system. Be sure to follow us on TikTok and Instagram, guys, at The Exhaust Addicts on Instagram and at Exhaust Addicts on TikTok.